If you manage people or equipment, you need to learn more about our learning and document management system. Our learning and document management system is an online platform designed to help companies train employees, manage equipment, and track processes every step of the way. We use it throughout our company to onboard new employees, track certification expiry dates, create forms, and gain up-to-date information through customized reporting. The Fort McKay Group says the system offers training options from recognized training providers that we can assign, as well as the option to create our own customized content. This has reduced our training dollar spend while providing better results for our needs. We used to manage our people and equipment with an endless amount of spreadsheets. It was challenging, to say the least. With our learning and document management system, there's so much you can do. Create and deliver courses to train your organization, or choose from hundreds of existing courses through the integrated e-commerce store. Use the course calendar to manage in-person classes, or deliver courses online through Zoom integration. Manage training records, send expiry alerts, generate training gap reports. Create digital forms that include signature capture, which can be used from any mobile device, and easily manage data using custom reporting. Make decisions about your fleet with the latest information from the equipment management system. Create equipment profiles, track statistics, and gain access to a host of reporting features. You can also use the reporting feature to track other metrics, like safety, and so much more. If your organization manages people and equipment, you need to learn more about our learning and document management system.